The final part of testing the whole CRUD of products is, of course, the delete product route. If we click delete, the product should be deleted successfully. Again, I already built the code for that, so the route is route delete within the same middleware of isadmin, and in the product controller we have destroy method. According to the resourceful controllers on Laravel, in the index blade, I added a form, again protected by the same isadmin, to products destroy route. So nothing really fancy here, a typical CRUD. Now let's try to build a test for that. And in the test, we will simulate that delete request and assert the database. So I copied and pasted this, and let's call it test product delete successful. So we create the product, then acting as this admin, we do delete request to the product ID without any parameters, and we assert what? What do we return from that? Assert status 302, redirect to route of products index, so we can assert that, response, assert, redirect to products, like this, and then we assert something with the database. Remember, in previous lesson we had assert database has. Something similar here, but assert database missing. So this assert database missing products database table with our product as a parameter. And also, let's try to count the database records. In the beginning of this test, the database is empty, then it gets migrated, then we create one product, then we delete that, so we can assume that the database of products should be empty. And let's do exactly that. This assert count, we have assert count of 0 and product count. So this is a general way how to count anything in the test, but also there's a separate assert database count. Database count, products 0. So we don't need to launch that query manually. And let's try to launch that test. PHP artisan test. Is it successful? Failed. What we did wrong? Assert database missing. Oh, argument should be array. Okay, so it doesn't accept the factory create, returns the collection, and here we have array. Okay, fine. Products to array, artisan test again, and now it is successful. So our database does not contain those values.